Kalpana Rao asks, where do I get a seal like this? Well, I'm going to show you the process of how I create and design this seal in a very simple manner. It's not very complicated to make one on your own based on your own name. Even if you don't have a Chinese name, let me show you how you can create a seal like this. Well, first of all, you go to a website like this, chinese.gratis/names, and here you put in your name in Roman letters, assuming it's Doris, and you can select the type of letter as well. From here, you can actually just pick the one that you like, create a version of it in vertical mode, and then click get your Chinese name, and voila, you get your name in the sort of font that you like, and then you download that JPEG. I pick another one, and this is Doris in a very archaic way. It looks like this. You go into PowerPoint or Photoshop, and then you put a border around it, and after that you send this JPEG to a shop like this. This is one I go to, Sansui Rubber Stamp Maker, and within a few days they will give you a very nice rubber sealed stamp. That's it, as simple as ABC. Thank you, bye.